Hey, good morning and welcome to After Another Adventure. We're here with another review from Diaertec. We did one about a month ago. It was on the Starlink Mini satellite protective cover. Now we're doing one, the tripod and the mini carrying case. This is the mini carrying case. It's a durable plastic. This is the tripod for the telescoping tripod for the Starlink. By the way, we are at the Grand View Sandbar Campground in West Virginia. It's a free campground, first come, first serve. It's probably about 27 degrees. This bracket goes on the mini satellite. Right in the back. And then this will get attached right here. Didn't get much sleep. The only bad thing about this campground is they have a switching station through here for the coal mines. And they fill up the coal cars here. And it's pretty noisy all night. You can get by that. It's a good campground. River's right down there. And you got all these bluffs all around here. And hopefully we miss the snowstorm that's supposed to come through. Cable's plugged in first. Go ahead and slide the bracket on, just like that. That's about it for the satellite tripod stand. You adjust it to which way you want it. All right, should get a better signal with this instead of just sitting on the table. All right, it's pretty nice. Has everything that you need. Your cable, your brackets, AC adapter, plug-in. This will definitely ensure that it doesn't get damaged. Diaertec Tech Armor for your Starlink. We'll go home without it. Those two additional items will definitely add to the Starlink, Mini Starlink, especially the armored carrying case. I won't have to carry it in the box anymore, and I won't have to worry about it being damaged. Telescoping tripod will be an addition to get a better signal. Time to put the Starlink back into the box. 23 degrees. That storm's supposed to be here Saturday. I don't want to spend 10-20 hours on the road. Thank you. Diaertec. I like the Starlink storage case. Good job. Hey, thanks for coming along. Leave a thumbs up. Share the video. I'm not being paid. I do get to keep the products. Happy trails, everyone.